Fuck that. Yeah, out here I'm checked in the noise. Move too quick, can't stop for the talking.
What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we're going to Cypress Cars and Coffee. Let's record some cool cars today. Let's do it.
Like fire on the pan. If you wanna touch mine, please use caution. Cold like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in a cage, I'ma let out the. Wake up, get out the sheets. We came for war, man, forget my peace. You take the west, I'll take on the east. I'ma put them in the cage, never let out the. Yeah, I hear him trapped in the noise. Move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Man so tough, but mans keep walking, yeah. Just too sharp with the prize. White girls, let her tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pan. If you wanna touch me, please use caution. Beg, please get on your knees. Came from the jungle, up in the trees. I got a few tricks up in the sleeve. One wrong move, I'ma let out the. Big shoes, check out the crease. Blow like I'm Bigfoot, step on the beat.
Alright guys, so we're here in Cars and Coffee. You can see 2 Supras. This is Sinclair's photo. Check his YouTube channel, he has good videos. And here's mine. So we're still early. We came early, so there's still coming some cars coming. Hope we can get more cars. Look at this GTR. I love this one. This one looks super nice, man. The wheels, 3-piece wheels, man. That's what I want for my Supra, 3-piece wheels, but they're a little bit expensive. Yeah, it's cool. Let's check 911. This is my dream car too. It's beautiful. White with black wheels is a perfect combination. And this is, look at that, nice. This is 911 Carrera. Wow, love it. This one is nice. I like the 3-piece wheels and the wrap. Nice. American muscle, yes. Oh, it's loud. Oh, look at this wrap. Wow, look at it. Man, purple, like the Joker. Oh man, this is beautiful. Look at that, man. Wow. Man. Nice. Anniversary GTR. Wow. Wow. GTRs. Ooh, nice. Look at this wrap. Cool. Man, this is amazing. Nice. Carbon hood, man. Like it. Nice. Yes. Looks nice. C8. Clean. system. One more Supra. I like the silver. Yeah. Oh, the exhaust system, man. I like it. Ah, man. This should be fast. Look at the wheels. Racing tires. Yes. Alright, the Supras are here, but today we have a GTR invasion. Look at how many GTR we got today. Man, look at this wrap. Nice. Nice wheels. It's a beautiful color, like it. And the chrome, man. It's a killer chrome. Man. This is clean. GTR with a big turbo. Look at the size of this turbo, man. Sorry. This one is Skyline. Man. Amazing. Look at the Nismo wheels. Yes. Amazing. Huh? This should be on backs. Look at that. Slam.
Did you get okay parking?
That's nice. Yeah, look at this. Yeah. I wish I had the money to get this. Yes, this is beautiful. GTO. Look at this. It's super clean. The wheels. Wow. Very nice. Nice. was Cypress Cars and Coffee. So we got a lot of cool cars in this video, but let me know what you guys think on the comments. And if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.